guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm gonna tell you how to train parrots. So you must see in lots of videos that parrots are trained and they put some things in the bowls, dustbins like this. So I'm gonna tell how they do it. So first, the things are three things that you need to take a bowl. Okay, a bowl. So I had this in my parrot bowl, so I took it. So now, and you need some things like I brought some these metals. I'm sure you can. Let me show you these metals and a heart and some big rocks like this. I'm sure you like this. See. So now the thing is that if your parrot does a great job, so you must give him a treat. So for the treat we have biscuits. It's my parrot's favorite fruit. He eats it a lot, and if I show him, so he will run away to eat it. But not now, parroty. Come here. Come here. Come here, parrot. Oh my gosh, you're so naughty. Come here. Come here. Whatever. He is a naughty boy. But let me show you guys. Come here, bro. Come here, or you will not get biscuits. Come here. He is a naughty, shy parrot. So you must see him half base. So you'll just do it with a half base. So I'm gonna show you how. First, you need to show your parrot how to do it. See, me too. This is a jam, and this is a heart, and this is a rock. Now you need to take one thing and keep it in the bowl. After you keep it in the bowl, you will get a treat. See, I'm gonna eat it. So guys, now I will try him with it. I believe that he will do it because I don't know if he lose it. So I have a heart. So I'll give him this heart. Just take this. Keep it. Take and keep it. Wait, let me keep it. See, keep it in this. Parrot, keep it in this. Keep it in it. Now you didn't keep it. You dropped it. You need to keep it. Like how I did. Oh my gosh, why are you so bad, parrot? It takes very time to train a parrot. It's not easy because parrots are very annoying, disturbing things. So let me give him this jam. He can even not take that jam. So let me just take out the heart from his little messy. It's not messy, clean cage. So then I'll give him again. Keep it in the bowl. Good boy. That is my boy. So guys, he kept it in the bowl. So I'm gonna give him a jumbo biscuit. You do not need to give a full, because if his tummy will be full, so he will not eat or he will not be trained. So you need to give a half piece like this. Hey, little one, pew. One bite for each potato. So he put it the heart. Now let me give him another thing. These keys. See? Do you see these keys? You have to put them in this. Got it? So guys, you need to tell your parrot to put this in one box. If he puts it, I am telling him to put it in purple box. And if he puts in the orange box, so he will not get a biscuit. He will try, then I will give him a biscuit. Guys, you need to make sure that you do it every day so he can be trained in. Then you can make a video or a short of your parrot. So let me show you. Put it in this. Got it? Don't put it in this. No. Put it in this. Not put it in this. It's wrong. Okay? Now put it. Okay. Put it in one bowl. Put it in He is not understanding which to put. I'm getting scared. Literally, I'm getting scared. Take one. Oh, yes. You could do that. Me too. See, again. We need to try again. Now give up, my parrot. No, not put it in this, guys. He thought that we need to put it in this. First, he was trying to put it in the purple bowl. Then he thought he failed. So, and he thought that I think we should not put it in that purple bowl. We need to put it in the orange bowl. No, you need to put it in the purple bowl, my cutie pie. Actually, his name is Money. Hey, Money. Money, good. Oh, no, let's. Goodbye, Money. See, guys, he put this. I mean, it fell again. He just put this key in the bowl like this. See, like this. He put it. So, you just keep it there. Okay? Where's the heart that he put there? It's there. And guys, make sure whatever thing that your parrot puts in the bowl, you never need to take it out when he is seeing. Because if he sees and then he knows that we are going, bruh. No, there's no bike coming. Actually, they're scared of bike. So guys, if you know that, if you take out the thing, so you think in the next day that we need to put it in instruction, will be wrong. You will think like that. So guys, please follow the rules. And here is my shoe. Now enough kisses. Still not enough kisses. Oh my gosh. Now enough kisses. I don't give you more kisses than that. Oh, maybe he's waiting for the biscuit. See guys, the biscuit. Here you go. Yum. Now he was just going to. Wow, come here. Okay, I'm taking the phone. See? What are you doing here? Huh? You should be there. Nope, still eating the biscuit. Oh my gosh, so slow motion. Why is your stomach so big and fat? Never mind. Come here.